What's up with you?
Okay. About to go pick up my boy.
Fun.
Yeah, why?
I'm bored. I'm not bored. What? What? Hello? 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 Hi.
Oh shit, hold on a second.
Okay.
On to that thing. I'm not fucking dying over here. I'll just leave you today. Joey, listen, we're gonna give you 3 bogeys for 2 hot pockets. We're outside, alright? Hello?
Hi.
Oh, what up?
Nothing. You?
Chilling. About to get some hot pockets.
That's fun.
What?
That's fun.
Yeah, it's alright. But, what are you doing?
Sitting in my room.
Really? Not doing anything? You're not with anybody?
No.
Oh.
I'm a loner.
You're not alone.
Well, I'm alone right now, so.
What do you mean?
I'm here alone.
Fuck up, man. Nah, but, hold on a second.
Okay.
Hey, I got a question for you. Did you beat us?
What?
I have a serious question.
Okay, what?
Well, like, would you go out with me?
What?
Would you go out with me?
What?
Would you go out with me? Hello?
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Did you
What's
hear
up?
me? Hey, did you hear me?
Nope, say it louder, please.
Why?
Like, scream it. I'm having hearing problems right now.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. I have an ear
Why
infection. Do you, like, not care about my ears?
No, I'm not screaming at it.
What?
I'm not screaming at it.
Why not?
See, you can hear me now, so why can't you hear me when I just said that?
I can barely hear you, and you were talking quieter. Just say it. Loud. Loud and clear. For my ears.
Would you go out with me? Please.
No, I can't. I want to be single.
Whatever.
Sorry.
God damn, I don't know. Yo, Pete.
What a douche. The car ended. Hell damn skin. Hell damn skin. I'm coming for you. I'm gonna get you. And your bogies too.